Okay guys, greetings. I want to show you what we got here. We got this gear. This is Canon PIXMA TS7451 white color printer. This printer is multifunctional, multitask, 3-in-1 if you like, in the sense it can copy, scan and print from this printer. This printer is ADF, automatic feeder. It's wireless and dual band. What we're going to do is to unbox this printer for us to see what is inside. This printer is using 560 black ink cartridges and 561 colored. Sorry, from what you can see here, this is the information pack, CD-ROM. This CD-ROM contains the software for this printer. Okay, this is information pack TX7451 series Canon in various languages. Now, what we have here is the ink cartridges. 560 black, 561 cartridges, and power cable. Okay. I'm going to bring this out. Here we go. Right. Okay. Right. Here we go. PIXMA TX7451. This printer is very compact. From what we can see here, I like the color. There is no USB cable, unfortunately. I want to show you what USB cable looks like. I got it at home. This is the USB cable for this printer. And you can connect this printer. It's wireless and also connection via USB cable. This power cable goes in here. You push it inside, okay? Now the USB cable goes on the top. This is the USB cable. I just want to say, if you connect this printer with the via Canon Smart app, you don't need the USB cable. Okay, this is the USB cable, so you just need to push it inside. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm gonna put this aside right now. Okay, you can take a picture from your photo and send it to the printer. It will do the job. So here is the paper tray. Okay. I love the scanner. You can see the scanner, what it looks like. So you stick your document on top of the scanner and select the function you want. So here it is. So we have here is the paper, another paper tray at the bottom here. Okay. So we have button casket. Okay, and also the back paper tray. Okay. The ink cartridges goes in here. Okay. So we load the ink cartridges, it will come right from there to the middle, to the center. Okay, so it will just come right in the middle. You can see the inside what it looks like. So this is the unboxing of this gear. This is Canon PIXMA TS7451. Just need to plug this right in the socket. Okay, the next thing to do is close this down. To close this down, you just need to push it backwards and down. Okay, go back and down. Okay, so you need to push it back slowly front. Okay, so if you bring this up, okay, and want to go down straight, you're gonna break it. So you need to find way to bring it down. Okay, backwards then front. Okay, so backwards and off you go. Okay, so you need to find the pattern. Make sure you find the pattern. Okay, so I'm gonna bring this down. Okay, to turn this printer on. So to turn this printer on, here is the on and off button for this printer. LCD screen. You can see Canon. This is the copy, color and black from here. This is to cancel. This is okay. So this is to go back. This is for you to select the function you want, up and down arrow. Okay. This is when you want to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network. It will ask you to press this button here. Okay. So basically, this is what this printer looks like. You can see the languages. Okay, you can see the, you need to use this arrow to select the language you want. Okay, right now it's in English language. Okay, so you just need to select the language you want. Okay, press OK, it's English, then you set English as a language, yes or no. Yes, click OK. Now it's asking us to install the ink cartridges, which I'm going to do on my next video.